2025 Honda CR-V. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. Experience the difference with these exceptional built-in comfort and convenience features. Lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, moonroof, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat. Visit us today. Your dream car is waiting.